Speaker, I withdraw the comment.
All those in favour of the motion, please rise.
Ms. Cody.
Mr. Joyce.
Mr. Joyce.
Mr. Haggie.
Mr. Haggie.
Mr. Hawkins.
Mr. Hawkins.
Mr. Crocker.
Mr. Crocker.
Ms. Kathy Bennett.
Ms. Kathy Bennett.
Mr. Kirby.
Mr. Kirby.
Mr. Trimper.
Mr. Trimper.
Mr. War.
Mr. War.
Ms. Dempster.
Ms. Dempster.
Mr. Brown.
Mr. Brown.
Mr. Mitchellmore.
Mr. Mitchellmore.
Mr. Edmonds.
Mr. Edmonds.
Mr. Leto.
Mr. Leto.
Ms. Haley.
Ms. Haley.
Mr. Bernard Davis.
Mr. Bernard Davis.
Mr. Derek Bennett.
Mr. Derek Bennett.
Mr. Holloway.
Mr. Holloway.
Ms. Pam Parsons.
Ms. Pam Parsons.
Mr. Bragg.
Mr. Bragg.
Mr. Reed.
Mr. Reed.
Mr. Dean.
Mr. Dean.
Mr. King.
Mr. King.
Ms. Parsley.
Ms. Parsley.
All those against the motion, please rise.
Mr. Paul Davis.
Mr. Paul Davis.
Mr. Hutchings.
Mr.
Mr.
Hutchings.
Kent.
Mr. Kent.
Mr. Brazel.
Mr. Brazel.
Ms. Perry.
Ms. Perry.
Mr. Kevin Parsons.
Mr. Kevin Parsons.
Mr. Petton.
Mr. Petton.
Ms. Michael.
Ms. Michael.
Ms. Rogers.
Ms. Rogers.
Mr. Lane.
Mr. Lane.